Hey everybody, this is Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here in my hand is a wireless doorbell. And this allows you to add this to maybe a camper or an RV or somewhere that maybe your doorbell doesn't reach in the house, because you're going to get two pieces here. You're going to get the clicker that you can put out front, and then you can put this and it plugs into any outlet in the house. And then you do have a sticky backing here, so you can go ahead and mount your clicker out front. And it's as simple as plugging in. There's no pairing, there's no Wi-Fi settings. You don't have to do anything. It's just plug and play and it works. And you can adjust the volume. And this thing comes packed with a ton of different ringtones. Give you that give you whatever option you like as far what. And this thing comes packed with a ton of different sounds that you can adjust. There's some buttons here on the side to control the volume and select the different tones. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now it is pretty loud. You also get some light indicators too as well. And then that was some bird chirping. You can see here, we can keep changing it. And this is pretty loud, right? So we have some different sounds. I mean, you can keep cycling through the back and forward. You can go through and see, find one that you like. I like that one, right? I like how the lights also indicate that, because if you're a visual person, you see this lighting up, that's happy birthday, right? You can change it. Really cool. Look how many I've gone through already, and I'm still going. There's still that many different tones on this doorbell. So really cool. Shout out to the company for gifting me this to do a review, but this will be great for anybody who just needs to be alerted when somebody comes to the door that maybe doesn't have a doorbell or doesn't have a powered doorbell and just wants a solution where it's just a plug and play. You click it and it works.